ABAC is the world's largest producer of air compressors, famous for the production of high-quality, technologically advanced compressors for industry and professional applications. ABAC have now developed an air compressor and accessory kit designed especially for use around the garage, home, and garden. Compressed air is a most flexible and diverse power source, suitable for thousands of applications. The OL231 compressor, complete with accessories, provides a powerful air compressor with 7 useful tools with all tubes and connections to allow the immediate enjoyment of the many uses of compressed air. The paint spray gun provided with the OL231 kit is an essential and invaluable tool. The spraying of preservatives, paints, lacquers and stains to all types of surfaces allows a fast, high-quality and efficient application. Professional results are easily achieved using this high-quality, easy-to-use spray gun. The sandblasting gun is an effective, high-performance cleaning device, whilst also being capable of producing dramatic creative effects on glass and ceramics. Rust, paint, and other stubborn materials can be blasted away from metallic objects using the abrasive power of the sandblasting gun. Amazing decorative effects can be created using stencils on a variety of mirrorware, glass, and ceramics. The versatile sandblasting effect will create imaginative new looks to everyday items. You can also produce dramatic personalized effects on items including crystalware, mirrors, glass, shower screens, and ceramic tiles. The air dusting gun is a flexible and powerful cleaning tool. Inaccessible and awkward items can be cleaned of problems such as dust, grit, wood shavings, and grass. The air dusting gun is ideal for cleaning sports equipment, radiators, carpets, gutters, garden machinery, and many other items. Efficient and rapid cleaning is easily carried out using the air dusting gun. The inflating gun saves time and improves safety by rapidly inflating footballs, car and bicycle tires, airbeds, and other inflatable objects. The tire inflator provides a time-saving, convenient, and effortless solution. The air water wash gun allows for the rapid cleaning of garden furniture, cars, and hundreds of other common household and garden items. The combination of mains water pressure and compressed air provides a powerful high-pressure water jet that makes cleaning more efficient and speedy. The air chipping hammer is a powerful multi-purpose tool supplied with chisels to allow the removal of bricks, mortar, tiles, and plasterwork. The chipping hammer is also capable of cutting steel work and for punching nails. The air chipping hammer is a most effective and versatile tool, providing a powerful chiseling action with far less risk of injury. The chemical and degreasing gun makes light work of degreasing car engines, lawnmowers, and other machinery by spraying degreasing chemicals at high pressure, producing dramatic cleaning results. The chemical degreasing gun is also ideal for spraying various cleaning solutions, as well as many garden chemicals. The OL231 Air Compressor Kit by ABAC, the most useful, powerful, and flexible tool you can own. Now you can achieve professional results using the equipment the professionals choose.